Well, guys, as you can see right here, I got the Homebrew working today. I did some research, got an SD card, took the risk, and well, here's the Homebrew channel. So, as you can see, I got the forecast channel working, which is really nice. Let me check quickly though. Data management, channels. Is it in here? Where do I have to go and... Okay, no, it's not. I have to get my other SD card in here to work. I'm just not sure if the Homebrew channel has any... Alright, there it is. Save data. So it's on the Wii. So does that mean it's automatically saved on my SD card? And well, we have Wii Sports. There's in Wii Sports right here. Yeah, so this is my SD card. This is the one from my Nintendo 3DS. My first Nintendo 3DS that I got in March 2014. But yeah, here we have it working. But whoa, news channel is working. There's some news right there, but right now we're gonna go for forecast channel, and I don't know what just happened right here. Why the internet just stopped. Please work. This is what I experienced the first time I used it just now, but looks like it's okay. 69 degrees in the Cleveland, Ohio area. UV index is 3. That's moderate. So I was comparing the temperature right there to what I am examining right now. What I'm viewing right now. It's a 5:01 p.m. June 28th. Alright, but anyway, let me go on my phone quickly. My weather app, my iPhone. So, yeah, I saw the UV index was 3. I went in the Cleveland area right there, so it views as 3 right here, just like on my phone. It views it as 72 instead. 72 degrees is the current temperature for Wednesday. Today's is haze because there's some pollution from the Canada area. I don't know if you guys heard. So this is what we're viewing right now. 73 degrees. I don't know if that's the actual temperature or why it's viewing it as. I guess the white means current. That means right now, currently, what we're viewing it as. Tomorrow, 79 degrees. Is that right? Nah. It's 81. 6-hour weather. 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. And then we have the 5-day forecast, and it's like Friday's the only one that's pretty accurate. But it doesn't view it as thunderstorms. It views it as rain. Alright, Monday, Sunday. Yeah, lows and high and lows are not the same as they are in, like, on my phone. I don't know which one if it matters, which one, because this is some old technology right here, some older stuff. So, viewing everything right here, we have all these big cities. I don't know if they, but yeah, we're viewing it in the daytime so you can hear this soundtrack. Flat view, or you can just, I don't know, hold it flat, or you can just view like if you're looking forward. Which kind of canton is this they're viewing? Alright, soundtrack's changing a little bit. Youngstown, Newcastle. Yeah, there's 2 cantons. Washington. Pennsylvania, huh? But yeah, we have right here, Chicago. You can just view it like back in the old days. Uh-oh. I used to play around with the forecast channel. Like, I would just like pretend that like there would be a problem in when they viewed thunderstorms on the forecast channel. Uh-oh. Yeah, I would pretend that they had a problem, so I would I would view it on my TV, CRT TV from back then, like 2011 or 2012, and then like kind of pretend I'm calling that area. Oh my god, we're gonna send help to you right away. I'm so sorry you guys have to deal with that thunderstorm temperature kind of thing. Alright, there's Washington, D.C. I should just view these a lot. I remember Canton was there, Cleveland. District of Columbia. That's what they're showing it as. United States. And that's their 5-day forecast. You have everything right here. What is this place here? Nassau. Bahamas. The Bahamas. I've never been in that area before, but Havana, I don't know. Cuba, Havana, Cuba. Just remember it from that song that I heard in Spanish class. Dallas, Texas. 98 degrees, 100. Oh, UV index 12, extreme, yikes. They're gonna need a lot of sunscreen for that, won't they? Calgary in Canada. Toronto, Canada. Wait, no, that's not even. It's a different part of Canada. I mean, it's not that. It's a different. I'm pretty sure it is here though, right? Yeah, there it is. That's where I usually end up going whenever I. It's been a while, so I haven't been there in forever. Oh yeah, this is. I don't know any. I forgot that. I remember that the main country I've seen in Alaska started with an A. Anchorage, I believe it's called. 5-day forecast. 1 is their UV index. It's starting to get lower now. Honolulu, Hawaii. Yeah, I remember that. That is what you would access. Get to do on this map. So then. This place right here. Thunderstorm. Yeah, we have New Delhi. Yes. Oh, no UV index for that place though. Yeah, I don't know if you've known. She got it. And then look at Japan right here. Japan has. Is it nighttime right there? 6 a.m. Yeah, I believe so. It's pretty close to that. So yeah. Instead of using the realistic kind, they use cartoon icons for these country. I mean, for Japan, just Japan. It's not even any part of the world otherwise. All right, Australia is right here. What can you look at? Sydney, Australia. Right? Wait. Okay, New South Wales. I guess that's their. I don't know what they call the state. Forgot. I think Canada has instead of calling them states, they call it something else. But I'm not really familiar with whatever they call it. I think only the United States has UV index and 5-day forecast. Ooh, look. Yeah, I'm just looking at the south since the north tends to have so much land and the south part does not. Oh, South Pole. Yeah, this is right here. That's what I used to look at all the time whenever I'd go on the forecast channel. It would be my countries in my cities in the United States, and then it would I think the one's closest though, but South Pole is always what I'd view. But dang, negative 48 degrees, negative 72 degrees. No UV index available. Unfortunate. South Pole, instead of calling it Antarctica, they call it the South Pole. Dang, and they're pretty ahead. Look, June 29. Negative 54, damn. Two extreme temperatures. I don't know. Closest thing to the North Pole right here. I don't know. They haven't updated this for years, but New Greenland. Oh, it's a Wednesday. Today's temperature and Oh, man. Oh, come on. Greenland. Not grassland, but... Okay, I don't think they have the North Pole in here. So, come on, don't fail me this time. Rain. Is there any place that's currently raining right now, by the way? I wonder, but this is part of Iceland. This is... Oh, wait. Is it? Yeah, there it is. Okay, there, it's raining today, later. Rain, and then we have showers. What's the difference? I mean, I know this has a normal cloud, white cloud instead of the rainy cloud. This one just has only those normal clouds, so it's very different compared to what we have. St. Louis. Oh, they're in trouble. 100 degrees, partly sunny. Then where's the sun? Alright, well, there's our 5-day outlook. It's kind of fun how you can actually get that homebrew for the Wii. You just view it like this, zoom out. Uh-oh. Oh. We're in the south. Wait. Okay, we're not in this. Wait. We are in the south. Alright. We're gonna just go to Cape Corinth. That's pretty close to Antarctica, and yes, temperature is cold right now. Very cold. Dude, I do not know how to do this correctly. I've seen people just zoom the globe. There, like that. I don't think I've ever done that when I was younger, but oh, here we are, spinning, placing this upside down. There it is. Restoring. I can set it back to normal. Where's the sun then? Alright, well, now we're done with that. Alright, temperature's still the same. I think you have to reset the console, which I did once. But yeah, haze right now. West-northwest winds. Wonder what's viewing it as right now. I think it was 5 miles per hour wind. Yeah. Yeah, so it's not the most accurate weather, because this is back from 10 years ago. I think today, June 28th, is the... Where 28th of June is 10 years since then. You just view it right now. Check the weather. I think that's the biggest city close to where I live. Weather news, and you got the news channel to work somehow, because it never works otherwise. But yeah, that's kind of cool. Wow, gambling, internet, future. Well, I didn't even use the news channel, and yet it already showed some stuff. Hold down the A button and twist your Wii remote while viewing the globe. You can change which way the globe faces. You can also do this on the forecast channel. Wow. Press the A button and move this around. Downloading this may take a few moments. Yeah, but I think the forecast channel and news channel were able. I think those two were. I don't like this green and white and gray color. Alright, well, we got the stuff right here. National news. I can't read from here, so I have to like zoom it in a little bit. Oh, well. Titanic wreck. I don't even care about the news, to be honest, guys. I'm just... Oh, well. I'm just using it right now as something. Regional news, Albany. Got New York. Mets owner. I think this is what I saw. Mets owner. Wow. Something about baseball. Alright. Sports. Guardians. Cleveland Guardians. Yeah, I don't know baseball. I don't know. I'm just trying to access the news the way I kind of did back then. Not really taking it seriously. Just like back then. Science Health. President Biden. No way. I can't believe we're actually seeing his name on here. I mean, this is 2023 and shut down 10 years ago, so I don't get it. Just don't get it. Okay, there isn't much else to see. Oh, no arts and entertainment, nothing for that. Just view the slideshow. Oh, I forgot the B button you could use to scroll a lot faster than using the D-pad. Titanic bound submersibles return to land. We're looking at using on a CRT TV to view this. National news stuff, huh? Florida inmate. That is not good. Atlantic City. Casinos. The heat wave blamed for 13 deaths. Oh, well, we can do the stock market today. Something to look at. Okay, that's it. We're done. 19 minutes ago. It's kind of cool to look at this, though. Technology, okay. Microsoft. We can look at these photos too, okay. Okay, there it is. Microsoft, okay. Basically what Xbox systems use. Yeah. Okay, that's enough. We don't want to bring this up too much. I just want to access the channel. And I'm just showing it off, like, hey, I haven't used this in a while. Let's use it again. Let's do it on the channel for the first time. Japan. It's kind of like the forecast channel. I think the forecast and news channel actually were built into the system, so it already came with it. I just think we just needed internet to begin and start it. That's all. Mostly cloudy. That's pretty true, considering I didn't really see a clear sky today. Alright, next thing we're gonna go on is the Nintendo channel. Nintendo channel's next. What can we see today on our console? Wow. There you go, it's working. Well, Reconnect 24 Edition 2.0, that's all you can see. New arrivals. DS download service. It can work though. Alright, well I don't have my Nintendo DS on me. Reconnect to internet? Yes, please, come on. Yeah, I just remember that the DS related and Nintendo 3DS related would end up having red or orange squares instead of blue circles that the Wii has. Mario Kart DS. If the sovereigns less. I don't need that. Tap the appropriate panel, you download the software to download. Huh. I wonder how that works. Apparently, apparently only one or two demos work. But I'm gonna have to try it on my own sometime. Or some other time. Recommend titles. Recommended Wii titles. Forecast channel. Yeah, there isn't really much to do here. I guess it does know that. Does it know? I don't know. For ones that played for over an hour, still has some of the data, even after all these years. But Mario Party 2 right here, I'm gonna do it. Mail. I got the game when I was 9, and I really enjoyed it back then. Oh yeah, this thing here. Alright, let's do it. Everyone should play it. Casual gaming, it's not so hard. Best time, it's better with friends, because you don't have to do story mode in the first two Mario Party games. Still make progress in it. But yeah, I recommend it right here. Oh yeah, I remember that back in the day. My first and second grade, I'd be accessing this all day. Mario Kart 64. So 2007 is when it came out, and yeah, I wasn't even 9 at that time when it came out. I don't know. I mean, I was 8 when I first got the game. It was July 2020. I mean, -7, 2013. End of July, dang. Everyone appeals to them. I don't know. Should it appeal to gamers? I think it should appeal to gamers most, because not many people play, like, I don't know if it's everyone, but how many people are gonna really care for this version of Mario Kart compared to newer games? It's pretty unfortunate. It's more fun with friends. I mean, only 2 players. If you're playing with 4 players, 3 or 4 players, not really. Alright, well, we're done. Oh, some of these demos I have never played. DS titles, does it know? Okay, I think I would have to connect my DS to it, so yeah. Hmm. Recommendations. See more information about it, I don't know. Not enough recommendations have been gathered. And how do I have these? What are these? What is this game, by the way? A Wii U games, huh? And looks like we can't not watch some of these. Is that right? Wii U. Come on. Oh wow, they all showed a 0, dang. Let's try this one. Main menu. Wait, what? Wait, did I say main menu or Wii menu? Okay. I don't know why I just just did this right away. But okay. All I would do back then is use the trailer. I watch the trailers and settings. Data sharing settings. I agree on that. I'm not disagreeing on anything. Or more high quality, it doesn't matter. Wait. What the heck am I watching? Oh, Reconnect 24. Well, that's all I can do right now. So, video rankings. I think this is the one that really shut me out. Wait, no. Wait. Damn it. It's making me go here again. Yeah, but I used to use the Nintendo channel, and all I'd do is just watch random videos. Mostly like Mario Kart Wii, they'd have that trailer or promo for that game. And it's kind of similar to what you see in the intro for Mario Kart Wii. But they really could have done some good stuff on here, honestly. There's really nothing to watch right now. Go to new arrivals, but there isn't any. There aren't any. About data? Hey, no. Alright, but I want to see if I can watch the new Super Mario Brothers. New Super Mario Bros. U. Please. It's 8 minutes 45 seconds. Let me watch it. Oh, well. So the video works. Like some of them. Only the ones that have times on there. Everything else is just not gonna work. Recommendation records. What do I have right here? Do I have anything from back when I used to play? Oh wow, 11 titles, dang. Wii Sports. And Male 7 High Hardcore. And With Friends. I don't know what I did. Oh, we can purchase, we can add to favorites. Wii Remote and Nunchuck from 2006. Bundled with the Wii, which I also got on this Wii. I did not play much Wii Play ever right now. Alone. Male 7, yeah. No way. I don't think I have Mario Kart Wii on here, right? Do I? Alright. Some Mario Kart 64. And I did not play this one. Really. Oh, there's Mario Kart Wii. Male 8, everyone hardcore with friends. And Wii Remote, Nunchuck, Class Controller, Nintendo GameCube controller, Nintendo Wi-Fi connection, you can use your Mii. I added that to my favorites, okay. I think I'm not deleting any recommendations, but here are my favorites. Why do I have the Crudes on there? No, Call of Duty Black Ops, I don't know why. I'd never even cared for those games. I just got them because they were a thing. Mario Party 9 favorites. We Play Motion. Wow. I think I was just curious by some of these games, or game titles back then. I would just do this. Use some of these. We Speak channel. I won't be surprised if they remove something out of here. They don't let me view it. It's pretty outdated. Very outdated, actually. Oh, well. We Speak channel. Need we in order to titles not marked as free. Antenna Wi-Fi connection, yeah. Tetris Party. Well, a lot of these titles are just unavailable these days. But we're still viewing it right now, which is crazy to think of. 2008. Dang. I can't believe it. Smart Galaxy, you have... Okay, why am I looking at this? What's your birth date? Eligible to view the title. I'll... Either way, I am, but I'm not gonna view anything else. We're just gonna view the Nintendo channel, see what else they have. I really don't think... I'm gonna edit this out so I don't get copyright. Okay, well... Watched the video, there was this guy talking about the... like, recording his TV and viewing what channels and what you can access on here. It was like a few years ago, several years ago. Just accessing it. Search by name. Oh yeah. How about Mario Kart? Mario Kart 7, 8, DS demo. Oh, well, I don't know why the demo would be a thing, but we have a lot of other Mario Kart DS, Mario Kart Wii, right here. Mario Kart Super Circuit. Oh, nice. Yeah, I got the box with that. Some Mario Kart Super Circuit. 3DS Game Boy Advance. I don't think that was even in there. We got Mario Kart channel. Okay, I think it's the same thing. Yeah, I think it's just repeating the same thing more than one time. So you can do that. Search by category, recommendations, platinum, gold, silver, any, bronze, both ages. And you got all these titles right here. So we can just view. It's kind of fun. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the squares for 3DS. 1 to 4 players. I don't think so. But yeah, this pretty much has a lot that you can view, so you can, well, now you can't watch any videos really, but other than that, I think it works pretty well. Recommending titles, new arrivals, oh yeah. There it is, new videos. I think they have all of these. It's the very end. Oh, so we can still watch these. I don't know what else we can watch though. You can watch Mario Kart Wii. That'd be pretty cool. Alright, well, it's pretty cool what you can actually view on here. I don't know what else we could watch other than these. New titles. Oh, there are no new titles. So nothing for the Nintendo Switch, but he actually pretty much did a walkthrough of this. He was recording on a CRT TV. He had like all the Nintendo Switch, Wii U. It's showing Just Dance 2020, so that was gotta be like 3 years ago when he actually did it, but yeah, we're done with that. I also forgot how... I don't think the Nintendo... I just remember watching the Wii U, a Wii U Nintendo Direct. There's like Satoru Iwata was talking about the Wii U. I was watching in my room. I had a Sony TV. CRT TV. Is Nintendo Channel gonna show anything, huh? I wonder. I don't think so. But it worked for us, so I think that's all I'm gonna care about right now. We're gonna try Check Mii Out Channel. Does it work? Oh. The Mii assigned as your Mii artisan has been erased from the Mii channel. Please register a new Mii to serve as a Mii artisan. Well, at least we can kind of use it. Note about your Mii artisan. Nickname of the Mii will be assigned. Your Mii artisan will be worldwide. Viewers worldwide don't include personal information or nickname offensive. chosen Rayon as your Mii Artisan. If you modify it by the Mii you have chosen, you will need to re-register Mii Artisan. Oh, so I can't modify it or anything. To join this message service to the latest news from Check Mii Out Channel posted to the Wii Message Board. You can put it anytime you'd like to join the service. Join. Wait. What? Okay. Because there's a problem with the Wii Connect 24 communication, it cannot be used temporarily. We can change anytime, but... So I can't subscribe. Even though I should have. Oh, well, we can use some of these. Cooking Mama, and we can Judge, King DDD, we have Meta Knight. Judging, 10 Miis will be picked at random and brought for, or you choose the 3 Miis that best embody the theme of the contest and strike you as impressive. Point at a Mii you want to vote and press A. Alternatively, you can more quickly select the desired Mii by pointing at it and pressing plus or minus. If you can't find enough Miis you like to vote for in the current set, press the swap out button and bring a new set. Any Miis you've already selected will be carried over to the next set of 10. Oh, King DDD. This is Peter Griffin. Dude, okay. That's not King DDD, no. Okay, this might be, but... 2 of these... no. Okay, we're just gonna select this Mii. That'll be one of them. And I'll select this one. I don't know when the next time I'll be looking at this, but... Cast a vote. Oh, well... Hold on. Swap out. New set. Let's just do that. Dude, I used to use this and I'd have no idea. I just picked the most random Miis. I'd import Miis. And I just used just one of my own Miis that had nothing to do with the contest. Oh well. Deselect. Oh, this might be someone. I think I'll make this one as the winner. Wait, what? Cast a vote, yeah. Wait, no. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. Wait. Not this Mii, I wanna... Wait, no, what am I doing? Yeah, this is the Mii that I want to select. So, cast a vote, we're gonna cast them 3. Vote for them. Unable to connect to the internet. Okay, what's going on now? It just won't let me connect all of a sudden when the forecast channel was just working. Oh, we were able to use it temporarily, but now... I don't know what's happening. Everybody votes channels next, so we're gonna try that one. It's gotta work, though. Oh, okay, there it is. Now we have some more of these. We have active polls, worldwide polls. We can check recent polls that I showed on a channel previously, and we have 5 of them that don't have anything, so... I think I'll suggest a question right here. Okay, well, extreme hot or extreme cold, that's... And, well, I didn't have enough space on the top, so which extreme temperature would you rather select? That's not the same question, I know, but... We're gonna see what happens. Can I do that, or no? It takes a while, though. Oh, check your internet connection and try again. Yeah. It's not working. It's just not working. Okay, never mind, it worked. Now, this time, your suggested poll question has been set. It may be considered when Nintendo creates, well, the Wii Reconnect 24, not Nintendo. I don't know who controlled Nintendo's Everybody Votes channel back then, but creates future poll questions. Thank you for your submission. Alright. Would you rather date a werewolf or a vampire? Discover earlier fridge led to a different world. Would you keep it quiet or tell everyone? Okay, well. Comedy. Cast my vote. Do you want to predict the response will get more votes? I think action is gonna win. That's what my vote is, but what do I think is gonna win? So I know Spider-Man is very popular right now, those Spider-Man series. So I think that's something that will win. Worldwide posts. Nature program or crime drama. And I'm gonna have my Mii pick this time for nature. I don't like crimes. Oh, well, I'm the only one predicting right now. Alright, well, options. Yeah, that's right. Alright, so we were able to access the Everybody Votes channel before, but we couldn't access anyone new. Oh, well. 2 days, 9 hours, 3 minutes. I'm gonna do this one. Probably a werewolf. I think that's gonna win. I'm gonna have to come back tomorrow, though. But yeah, I did not know how to access it back then either. I just picked whatever would be working, or just the most. I don't even know the question, or I like polls, like how I do on my channel. So we have 2 options this time, so it's not all perfect, but it's still better than like the accessibility. It's still more powerful than you were able to 10 years ago. I mean, well, when it was discontinued and before I downloaded this channel. At least it's more accessible now than it, just a little bit. I mean, I think Everybody Votes channel was the most accessible out of all of them, but not anymore. I don't think we're gonna see anything right here. Like, using my own email, I'm just messaging myself, so that's what it was. Alright. And I'm not gonna show it, but there it is. Alright, let's try to Check Mii Out channel again. I think that's how we're gonna end it. Here's some fun channels here, guys. I'm back in the day, even now. If you play Wii Sports Resort on here, we could probably be playing whenever, anytime. What was a posting plaza? Huh. Call friends. Oh, the lookalikes, the most lookalike kinds. Okay, so there isn't really anything to worry about. Who's this? GW initials? Oh, we can get the entry number. Yep. This Mii right here. Just for the fun of it. Sorry if you're watching this, Bubby. Alright, what can we do here? Posting your Mii, agree that Nintendo or third parties may use your Mii for any purpose whatsoever. A delete, modify, an IV, and fourth, you will be able to retrieve your Mii. What happens right here if I do it? Design, secret. Oh. There's no end. Fighting. Athletics, art, acting, writing, study, supervising, singing. Exploration, I'll just do that. Oh yeah, the Mii channel. Like I care. Probably won't even come back to this for a while. Maybe on outside the channel, but I don't know. SpongeBob. I'm gonna try importing this Mii. Because this is what I used to do back on my other on this Wii system before I transferred the Miis on my Wii U. Alright, that's all the... Wait. I'm used to okay being on the right side. There it is. Is there anything else? Elisa. Whoever this B guy is. Oh, there's Beef Boss. Wonder who... Oh, well. Somebody from Canada. It's not even the same Beef Boss, though. So it's not... I don't know. I don't think it matters. Mama judging. Mascot of the Nintendo 3DS eShop. I'm gonna have to do Meta Knight this time. Yep, not enough Miis. Oh man. Oh boy. This looks like the King Dedede minions instead. Fight me. This one's cool as well. Swap out Grasshopper. Who's gonna... So many people are just entering the contest, just like me when I did with my own Miis. I had no idea what to do with them. Okay, well. I feel that's the best I can get to right now. They're all wearing... Oh, wait. They're wearing blue. One's wearing black. We're gonna vote for these Miis. Thank you for participating. Every vote counts. When the contest results are decided, you can see how the Miis you chose stack up against the contest winners. Your own eye for the Miis is based on accuracy in picking the popular choices. Now just wait for the results. Can I post the Mii, or... Well, I can. And, well, only these two, and then we can later judge. New set of Miis. Here are Miis in this set, and the ones you judged last time in this contest, and then choose the three Miis that you feel best embodied. Yeah, sure thing. Alright, what are the results right here? Well, how is that the best one? I know it's a shopping bag, but This one's probably the one. I look how they just added a photo on here. Maybe this one. Just help. Arrange the Miis. Is there like a different like way you can rearrange these? I just do this all the time. Great, and I just give each of these Miis just their most random names. Oh. Alright, well. I'm getting out of here. Not really much else to do. Nintendo console? We're making a Nintendo console Mii. Oh. What was it supposed to represent, by the way? Oh, a game controller. Oh, well, that's pretty good. What was this? I don't know. A TV, I think that's supposed to be. Virtual Boy. Virtual Boy guy, and Matt from Wii Sports. Italy. Well, I don't know. On Nintendo console, then there's this guy who made Mario. Dude, I don't know why. It's pretty accurate to the Quahog characters, though. But I'm surprised they actually won. There's anyone better. Although I don't know what happened with my Mii. I don't even know if I still have the data from back then. I'm gonna try to resubscribe. Oh, you can do it. You did it. The Artisan 13 posted. Wow. Most popular Mii is the one I created. Snell. 9th level, untrained. Yeah, I'm definitely untrained. Wait. Wait. Yeah, we're just sticking with this Mii right here. But it is fun watching this, so... yeah. Pretty much today. I took the risk to mod my Wii, homebrew it, and well, we have these channels here. Forecast channel and news channel. Well, forecast channel is now unable to... Does it just keep happening? I think news is the only one that's successful right now. You got those suns again, the blue background. Just like back in the day, you'd watch the internet channel. Oh, 6:09 p.m. So now they have it's nighttime music. Still haze. Tomorrow's supposed to be like hotter. Huh. Yeah, these are all far away from me. Globe. Don't need to use the big cities. Nothing small. Alright, well. Yeah, there isn't really anything else to do today, so... Already viewed the forecast and news channels once. We checked the Nintendo channel, and, well, I gotta do some edits on that, and... I don't know, does it just go leave and then come back? Or will it just stay like this? I don't know. Next step to do is to download... I don't know, is you just change the Wii disk drive, since it hasn't worked for years. Almost 9.5 years. So yeah, I gotta get a new Wii disk drive, I mean. still have these photos and everything, but yeah, I got stuff to change. So it looks like only forecasts and news channels are successful. Everything else just doesn't show up on screen, so they still work, I believe, so that's all I know of, so we're gonna check this some other time, so be sure to hit that like button, and be sure to subscribe, and turn on notifications to watch and to see more videos like this. So I've been getting more into this, and this is actually a successful thing to do. It didn't cause any damage. Right now, at least. I don't know if it will later, but I hope not. So, pretty safe today. With our homebrewing and Reconnect 24. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.